Check it out. This is my battery box. I got it from Amazon. It's an all top brand. Inside I have a lead acid battery for now, which I plan to upgrade later with a lithium one just to save some weight. Inside is fuse and all the wires are tucked in nicely. This cost me less than $100. It's pretty good for that price. Over here you have the switch, turn it on, tells you the voltage. You have two USB connections here and a 12 volt female connector there, two Anderson plugs on the right side. I also bought a 1000-watt inverter and a smart charger to keep the battery charged. I also have a 20-watt solar panel here. I can plug in and charge that way also. The plastic box doesn't seem to be super durable, but we'll see. I'll try to take care of it as best as I can. Here I'm just testing out the charger, unplugged, plugged. It works as it should.